Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Subaru Forester engine air filter. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid any burns. Gather your necessary tools, including a new air filter and a screwdriver if your housing uses clamps. Locate the air filter housing, which is typically a black box situated near the engine. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Once prepared, unclip the 2 to 4 metal fasteners on the air filter housing. Some models may also require loosening a hose clamp with an 8mm socket or screwdriver. Gently pull the housing apart and carefully slide out the old, dirty air filter. Take a moment to inspect the inside of the airbox for any leaves, dirt, or other debris, and clean it out if necessary. Now take your new engine air filter and ensure its orientation is correct, often indicated by an up arrow or specific rubber gasket placement. Slide the new filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and securely. Realign the top and bottom halves of the airbox, ensuring the tabs on the bottom are properly seated. Finally, re-engage all the clips and tighten any hose clamps you loosened. Finally, double-check that all clips are securely fastened and the housing is properly sealed. Make a note of your current mileage so you know when to perform this maintenance again, typically every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or once a year, depending on your driving conditions. Keeping your air filter clean improves engine performance and fuel efficiency. For more great deals and to upgrade your cleaning routine, check out the link in the description below for the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.